back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to our officially market, our very nice market or very peaceful market for our village. So as you can see, we are going with my some friends or with my mama, this mama. So they think that what am I, what I am telling. So he is thinking that. So in behind of me, Arif is actually there, and also we are going three people with for buy something, to see what kinds of things over there. And I will show you. Also my mama also, big mama also here. So yeah, I will show you. That place. A few minutes ago we are sitting there, but there is no passengers. That's why we have come here. And as you can see with our, I think he is our neighbor. That's why he is here. And he thinking that what am I telling? And he even don't know about this language. And also Arif also in front of him. So that is something it will be very crazy for, because I will show you how what kinds of thing in our village, what kinds of thing in our market. This is also a small market. Here is at this time the full, only some type of shop actually here. Yeah, lots of shop actually, even here also. And at this time, in night time, the shop will be open, I think. So, in this type of place, where usually auto is going regularly, auto going regularly, but not so any big truck or big, lots of, load truck is not here. Just this type of auto or this type of van. So yeah, basically I don't want to go there because I have lots of work in my village. That's why. But my friends told me that you need to go there for making video. That's why I have come. So here is the pool. This is also a pool. And over there lots of lakes and also lots of cows actually there. And this uncle actually thinking that what am I doing? And he is shocked. That's why he even don't look at me. Some rickshaws actually here also. So this auto is very fast. That's why you can any types of particular place. Yeah. So at this time I am here and I can't go on that place because this auto is so fast. And I think I will meet you in front of the bus. He told me that you need to speak English, Bangla. So he even don't know about this. Video करছো है video.
मन टाका का भाई मिला सकता मुझे ना
बस इंग्लिश बोले ऐसे. So he is thinking that what am I doing in front of the camera? Yeah. Class 7 or 7 करो. बांग्ला था. Sumbu. He told me that you need to translate Bangla. Yeah. That's why he's thinking that what am I saying? Yeah. He told me that you need to speak Bangla. English জানেন না? English বুঝেন না না? বুঝেন না? ইংরেজি বোঝো না? তোমার বোঝেন না? কোন ইংরেজি ভাষা? আচ্ছা আচ্ছা.
যে হাঁসি মানুষ শেষ করে দিয়েছে।
হইলে তো
যে অর্থ কমানোর মধ্যে বেকার
অর্থ কমান নাকবে
হ্যাঁ তো অর্থ করতে হবে না
কত
ইংলিশ বাংলা করতে হ্যাঁ
হোয়াটস ইউর নেম তাহলে অর্থ হইল তোমার নাম কি?
হ্যাঁ মাই নেম ইজ
হ্যাঁ
গাজী জয়নুল আবদিন
হ্যাঁ ওইটাই তো পছন্দ
হ্যাঁ
আমার নাম হলো জয়নুল আবদিন আপনি কি ভাত খাইছেন
হ্যাঁ নো
rice morning or evening or afternoon answer the answer call yes I eat rice बेकार है तो English heavy English writing so he think that he can speak very fluently that's why he is thinking that what am I saying but we need to practice English every day that's why I am making this video yeah so even I don't want to say anything about him অর্থগণ I don't want to say anything about him মানে তার সম্বন্ধে আমি কোনো বলতে চাই না তুই এটা কি করবো ক
তার সমাধান করতে চাই না
হ্যাঁ
আর তার গেছি
I don't want to say anything about him about মানে সম্পর্কে তোকে ইংলিশ বুঝিয়ে দিবেন নাকি মুখে হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ বুঝলে দেখুন মাস্টার
স্যার মাস্টার কিন্তু বসে আছে আমার সামনে ইংলিশের মাস্টার
যা বলি নাই
করছেন তো তোমার সাথে পরীক্ষা করছো তোমার ভিডিও বানাও ইংলিশ প্র্যাকটিস করছো না ইয়ে করে প্র্যাকটিস করছো না এটা মাইশো এক্সপ্রেস করছো
আরে বেটে বন্ধ করে দিল।
তাইলে এক্সপ্রেস করছো তাইলে পড়া না ইংলিশে চর্চা হয়ে যাবে
বাংলা না বললে হবে না।
হ্যাঁ তো বাংলা ভাই কম
বাংলা ভাই।
ভিডিও তো এই বাংলাটা না অবস্থা তুমি বাংলা কর তুই
বাংলায় সহায় নেই, বাংলা না করিস
হ্যাঁ আল্লাহ তুই কি
এই ভাষা আপনার ভালো লাগে।
বাংলা দিয়ে কথা বল
বাংলা যদি আমার
ভিডিও বানাও প্র্যাকটিস আরে না করে ইংলিশে কভার লাগে যদি এখন সাবস্ক্রাইবার সব ইংলিশ দিয়ে তো বাংলা দিয়ে তো ভিডিও বানাও বাংলা ভাষার বাংলার মানুষের বাংলা ভাষা না yeah and I will show you the Dhela Peak in when I will go there yeah I will show you so guys after a long time we have come here and here as you can see over there some cyclists are actually here we have come here alone no cycle or no motorcycle we don't have and finally we have come here we need to pay money and I will show you this is the bazaar there is full of crowd and lots of people are looking at me so yeah I will show you I need to pay money so guys after a long time we have come here for buy something and here is full of clothes that's why as you can see also lots of people actually looking at me what am I doing but this is doesn't matter I have finished my my public scary feel that's why I can't believe anything just making video that's my thing yeah I need to make video that's why I have come here that's why I have come here yeah so here is my friend here is my mama these two are mamas and Arif also have come here for buy some clothes huh? and here lots of things actually here we basically that's why we need to show something basically we are speaking in our local language you can't I think someone can understand but you can't understand if you are not Bangladeshi so here lots of shutki actually they are also ginger potato this is the potato season and also fish deshi fish and my friends are good here is there is something going that's why I don't want to show you so I will show you later I will so after a long time staying here we decided Arif decided to buy something that's why he is buying something I think he is buying sweater or trouser so here is the bazaar this bazaar is very familiar for our village people because they are very familiar with this bazaar as you see so yeah So after a long time we get this sweater, yeah. And I think my friend told me, tell me, কোনটা নেব?
বন্ধ করে
So he told me that you need to choice for him. ওইটাই নিরো, ওইটাই নি, ওইটাই নি, গলার সাথে ইয়াও আছে, তা নিটা. And here is the, basically here is nothing to say, just lots of things here. Also here is lots of, you know, chair, tables, furniture. Also over there also lots of goat and cow. Also there are also many things. You can get lots of things in this, you know, in this bazaar. Yeah. So here is also another shop, and I will meet you in when I will go to the, you know, when I will get some great thing for you. I will show you another time. Yeah, I will show you. So at this time, goodbye. You can see after a long time journey we get some shop where we can get something. So that is not for sale. And we get some shoes store, also some equipments for winter season, as you can see. So in this bazaar we can get lots of things like old shoe, new shoe, and lots of, you know, and they are actually confused that the shop don't give them that amounts, you know, thing what they have, but they have like 350 rupees, 350 taka, but the seller don't give them. They want 400 taka, 450, 400 taka, 400, 500, that type of things actually here. Also sweater also, but we can't get our amount. If we get, when I will get, I will show you another time. Guys, after a long time journey we get his uncle, and he is very good, and he sells electronic things. And here is some box that he want, but he can't get that type of price amount that we have. Yeah, so at this time we are going. I will show you another time.
আসেন বন্ধ করতে করতে চলে আসেন। আগে পরে যারা নিয়েছেন উপকারিত হয়েছেন, মনে মনে খুঁজতেছেন এই আদি আসল খাঁটি যোগ বিচ্ছুর তেল, হোটেল হাতটা খুঁজবেন, মিলাইতে পারবেন না, আপনি এত টাকা নিয়ে ঘুরবেন, এই যোগের তেল আমি ছাড়া আপনাকে কেউ দিতে পারবে না। বন্ধুগণ, এই আদি আসল খাঁটি যোগ বিচ্ছুর তেল, হোটেল হাতটা খুঁজবেন, পাবেন না।
So guys, after a long time journey we get this sweater in 400 rupees, 400 taka. ওই দেখাও তো না, this sweater, yeah. And these two are same, like black or black, like 400 taka. And also that guy is actually buy something, that's why he wants to come in front of camera, and yeah, that's why I'm making video. So yeah, at this time we are going from the camera. So after a long time journey we got our, you know, destination. Our destination in the pigeon's loft. As you can see here, lots of, you know, pet animal actually here. Also lots of pigeon, lots of hen, lots of quail, lots of rabbit, also lots of duck actually here. And we get our some relatives, that's why we are trying to meet him. My friends are trying to meet him, and also they are trying to see the quail. And yeah, there is lots of things like lots of shop, and also there are lots of chicken, also many things actually here. And we don't need to go anything because we have lots of things in our bazaar. Yeah, we can, I told you that this is very familiar place for the village people, and I don't want to say nothing. When I will go to another place, I will show you another again. Guys, after a long time we have after a long time journey, we have come in front of a bazaar, in front of a hotel. That's why we need to, eat something. That's why we have come here. And as you can see, we are 3 people actually here. Also, lots of people behind of me. So this is, you can see, and that is the camera, as you can see. So I don't want to say anything. That's and our food come here. Gila kan ini? Gula gila. And right now we are eating. And that is the great thing. In this bazaar you can get anything, like at this time we are eating besan fry, and also here are lots of things actually here, like jalebi, puri, and lots of things I even don't know about, and also tel pita also, lots of things here I even don't know about that type of pizzas, like in English. So as you can see in behind of me, this is actually, you can think like this is like a soil boundary, but that is not a soil boundary, that is full of flour, corn flour. Yeah, so I need to eat this time. I will show you another time. Yeah, goodbye. So guys, again we have come here another hotel. We want jalebi, but on that hotel we don't have any types of, we don't have any types of jalebis. That's why we have come here in new hotel. They have hot jalebi. Yeah, we need to eat. We give him order for 1 poa jalebi. And here is jalebi, as you can see. Yeah, we need to eat this at this time. So yeah, goodbye. I will show you another time. After a long time later, we have come in front of our village. So as you can see, we are entering in our, in our room. So actually, I am finding one person who don't with me or with us, because who is going on their house. That's why we need to go to our own house. That's why he is going his own house, and I am going my own house. So I need to go there. So basically I need to finish this video at this time. So yeah, goodbye.